In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to partially close a position on TradingView in 2025. If you're familiar with trading on this platform, you know it offers a wealth of tools to optimize your trading strategies. Today, I'll guide you through the simple yet nuanced process of partially closing a position, ensuring you can manage your trades effectively while maintaining the control you need for your strategy. To start, you'll first need to open your trade on the chart. Navigate to the instrument that you're currently trading and make sure that the active position is clearly visible on your chart. This visual cue is crucial as it allows you to pinpoint exactly what position you're working with as you proceed with a partial close. Once your trade is open and visible, the next step is to locate your position within the TradingView interface. Typically, you'll find this in the Positions or Terminal window at the bottom of your screen. It's where all the pertinent data about your active trades resides, making it easy to manage your positions from a single location. Having located your position, you'll need to employ a simple right-click function on the specific trade you wish to modify. Right-clicking is intuitive and brings up a context menu with various options. Select Close Position from the choices presented in this menu. It sets the stage for the next step, which is crucial for executing a partial close. Upon selecting Close Position, a confirmation window will appear, bringing you to the heart of the process. Here, you'll want to enable the Partial Close feature by checking the Partial Close box. This option signifies to both the platform and your broker that you only intend to close a portion of your existing trade. Next, specify the number of units you wish to close. This could be a specific quantity of contracts or a particular lot size you want to sell or buy at the current market price. Entering this number correctly is important, so take a moment to review your figures to ensure accuracy. To finalize the action, you'll need to confirm the partial close. By doing so, you execute the order, closing a portion of your position while allowing the remaining part to stay open. This flexibility is key to managing your trades effectively, allowing adjustments as market conditions change. It's essential to note a few considerations when engaging in this process. First, not all brokers support the partial close feature. If you don't see this option, it's possible that your broker doesn't offer it. Additionally, ensure that the instant order placement feature is disabled in the TradingView settings under the Trading tab, as this is required for partial closes. Finally, remember that after partially closing a position, you can still adjust stop loss or take profit levels for the portion that remains open. This flexibility ensures you can continue to manage your risk and potential rewards even after modifying your position.